Angel.
Yes.
Angel's truck. Today we will be installing new hub assemblies. And first we need to complete step 1, which is find Jim. We'll be back when step 1 is complete. Okay, I had to skip forward to step 2, which was drive up on some wood, jack it up. And now back to step 1, which is find Jim. Okay, Jim has been found. And we'll go ahead.
Neighbor, Jim is there.
That's right. So, we'll be back with step 3.
Step 3.
Okay, ready for step 3. Here we go. Safety first in this garage. Not really, but jack stands, yes. As you can see, that's nice and safe. Oh man, sir, you want to? Safety first. Safety glasses, yes. Always.
You can almost see through.
Yes, those are nice. Angel's skipping forward to step 8 or 9 over there. All right, let the jack down. I don't think we're ready. We only have one jack stand.
Oh, I thought you were going to jack this side up.
Oh, I don't know. I can.
That's what you said. I thought you said.
Is that tire off the ground, sir?
This side's way low.
Oh, well, I don't think the jack doesn't have any more, so we.
Okay, hold on a second. All right, better down there, and then you can jack it up.
Like how much the front of this truck sags down when you put the jack stands back there. Am I good now?
One more. Very good.
Okay. I'm gonna just leave the jack here for extra safety precautionary measures. And we'll be back once we get the wheels off. Let's see if we can get ET up. He's a little wiped out. I'm gonna try, see if we can get him motivated to do something, but no guarantees. Careful, sir. Oh man. What are we looking at here? Jim looks confused.
I was trying to remember why I brought things over last time.
Caliper bolts?
Maybe.
Those are going to be 17 inches. 17 inches.
Oh.
Okay, what you want to do is remove the bolts, not the caliper bolts themselves, but the bolts that mount the caliper bracket to the back of the spindle.
Oh, okay. So you're just gonna take everything off.
Yeah, and we need to remove this wire, which is the ABS sensor. It's really dark in here, but it clips in right up here.
Okay. That makes sense.
And like so. Already disconnected it. It's got these little plastic clips that it slides onto. And these sometimes are a pain to open without breaking them. You need a little screwdriver. And like so. Did the new one come with the clips? If not, I'm going to need a little screwdriver. before I just break this. So yes, remove this wire. Looks like it comes with it. Does? Well, then we're gonna need this little. Yes, it does come. As you can see, the new one comes with the clips. So go ahead and break those or do whatever you want to do. But you don't really need to do anything except find your little clip remover tool. You get a 17 wrench. Angel? 17 wrench? Never mind, I'll get it. You want to take these off? Just pry them out, do something. You'll figure it out. Excellent work. You're now a pro.
This one just has to push out.
I don't know, just take the clip off because it came with a new one. That's the way the other one was you just took off. I'm really disappointed I forgot my camera to bring to the cruise in thing. I would have taken videos of everybody taking pictures of my wheels. Probably to show everybody how stupid they were at home. DT, come on, let's get going. Jeez, you're just sitting there, what are you? I don't understand. You better get to work. Hurry up. Back to Angel. ET's gonna kick your ass here. He's gonna start working any second. Oh man, he's working over there. As you can see, Angel's got the hard part done. I'll go. You'll find her a 17 wrench, which I'm not sure if it's a 17, but we're gonna say it's a 17. 14, 12. 17. Might not be a 17.
I don't know if I can get it loose.
Oh, you can get it loose.
So this one back.
Yep. Let me know if you need a ratchet and a socket. I don't know if that's going to fit. Try the bottom one.
Try the close end.
Oh yeah, but try the bottom one. It's probably easier to get on. Is that the right size? Bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger. Okay. That must be 19s. I was thinking it was a Ford. They have 17s. Oh no, they use 19s on those too. Anyway. Any light under there? Good, you can see, can't see. Oh man, that's the right size. Wait for the knuckle buster. Oh, you're gonna bust your face on the rotor is what you're gonna do.
I just pulled myself towards it.
Well, you're tightening it.
Okay, well, so it's got
Oh, those wrenches suck. You're just gonna put the whole wrench over. No. Oh, these wrenches are the shitty. Oh no, there you go. Yeah, these wrenches are shitty because you can't flip them over.
That's stupid.
Okay, now you want to pull or push on that. I don't know if you're gonna be able to do it.
Push on it towards you.
No, it goes this way.
Oh, damn it.
Or if you move, I'll just lay down and kick it.
You might have to break it loose because last time I didn't get any of the bolts loose.
That is a tight one.
Yeah.
Hold the wrench on by up here or it goes on the bolt. And ET's probably got his side off already. Move your hand. Okay, we'll be back when we get this bolt off. Okay, we'd like to clarify that those are 18mm bolts for the bracket caliper. 18s.
Just fucking torques, dude.
Now we need a Torx for the rotor.
Yeah, for the retaining.
Torx for the rotor. Did I have that last time, or did you have to go get that too? Almost assume that this is the right size. ET, break time already? Come on. Just because you took a wheel off doesn't mean you're done. So now, Torx to get the rotor off. Hey, where's my little green handled 1/4 inch ratchet?
Yeah, the truck.
Where?
Right here.
Oh. Had to get human man hands on it to loosen those up. Oh, this is the wrong size bit, so you have to be extra careful. Wrong size Torx.
Do we have the right size?
No. And this isn't gonna work. You gotta make sure you have all the proper tools when doing something like this. Here we don't, because I ain't no mechanic. I don't need, you know, Torx bits to sand this truck down. I have them at work. Don't have them as much of a selection here. I'm assuming Jim went home and got one last time we did the brakes on this. So, this is not a very good how-to, so I hope nobody's actually watching this that needs to do this. So Jim's just going to leave the rotor on and go ahead and take the whole thing off. So after you get the caliper bracket off, what size are those, Jim? Jim's being quiet because he's really pissed that he's here doing this. You'll see that there are 3 bolts holding this to the knuckle, spindle, whatever you want to call it.
Let's see, it sinks down in here to the hub, so this probably won't come out.
It will come out. Just a slight little tap.
With my hand.
Yeah, see? And it all breaks free. And all you'll need to do is get the rotor off. And we're home free.
So just bought a new one.
We just did buy new ones. Make sure you have some Loctite. Put on those bolts. And look, we're almost done. Oh, dust shield. Bing, bang, boom. And you're ready to go. So some reason they taped this wire all up. And so, yeah. I don't have that Torx socket, sir. Did we use an Allen wrench last time?
No, I got mine.
Are you serious?
Man, you should just bring
Why did we even put it back on?
So you can do the other side like that.
This is so I can do the other side while Jim goes and gets a Torx bit for that. And so we'll be back when we do something else.